Welcome on my YouTube channel My IT Lab Solution. Today I am going to solve an assignment. The name of the assignment is Excel First G Regional Restaurant. I am professional. I have completed all this complete course for many of my students and they got 100 out of 100 marks. If you want to do this assignment or complete course for you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Basically this assignment consists of 17 step. I can do all these steps and you can done your assignment by watching my video. So we go on our step number 1. Our step number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file name student Excel 1G Regional Restaurant. Download with this project. So we go on our Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel 1G Regional Restaurant. So our step number 1 is completed. Our step number 2 is change the theme to integral. Set the width of column A to 80 pixel and width of column B to H to 110 pixel. If any column are too narrow to display all the data, apply autofill to the column. So in the second step it is saying that change the theme to integral. So we go on our Excel worksheet and in the page layout tab, here is the theme. We change it to integral. So this is integral and it is also saying that set the width of column A to 80 pixels. So we set the column A to 80 pixel. Here is the 80 pixel and A to H is and B to H is 110 pixel. So select B to H. So we select B to H and increase is to 110 pixel. So our step number 2 is completed. So our step number 3 is merge and center the title across the range A1 to H1 and then apply the title cell style. Merge and center the subtitle across the range A2 to H2 and then apply heading 1 cell style. So in this step we merge and center first A1 to H1. So we go on our Excel worksheet and select A1 to H1 and in the home tab here is merge and center and it is also saying that apply cell style, apply the title cell style. So here is the cell style and apply. We first selected, it is also selected. So it is the title cell style. Merge and center the subtitle across the range A2 to H2 and then apply the heading 1 cell style. So we select A2 to H2. Here is the A2 to H2, merge and center and apply cell style heading 1. So our step number 3 is completed. Our step number 4 is select the 7 column title, apply center formatting and then apply the heading 4 cell style. So in this tab we select the 7 column title and apply center formatting and then apply heading 4 cell style. So we go on our Excel worksheet and title 7 title is there and apply center and cell style is to heading 4. So here is the result. So our step number 4 is completed. Basically this assignment consists of 17 steps. I have done 4 steps of this assignment. So our step number 5 is by using the quick analysis tool, sum the quarter 1 sales and then copy the formula across for the remaining quarter. The quick analysis tool format total in bold. So in this step we sum the quarter 1 by quick analysis. So we go on our Excel worksheet and in the we select quarter 1 and here is the quick analysis, here is the total, so here is the sum of this, and it is also saying that copy the formula across the from remaining quarter. So remaining quarter are these, so we copy it and remaining quarter, so it is bold. So our step number 5 is completed. Our step number 6 is select the notes sales from the fourth quarter B4 to E4 and then display the quick analysis to total gallery. Click the second sum option, the sixth item in the gallery which display the column selection in yellow. Copy the formula down through cell F7. So in this tab we enter a formula. So we copy first B4 to E4. So here is the B4 to E4 and in the quick analysis in the total, so here is the second sum option. So we done it and it is also saying that copy the formula to the remaining. So we copy the formula and remaining. Our step number 6 is completed. Our step number 7 is apply accounting number format to the first row of sales figure and to the total row. So and apply comma cell style to the remaining sale figure. Format the total in row 7 with the total cell style. Increase the column width as needed. So in this tab we apply accounting number format to the first row of sales figure. Accounting number for first row of sales figure is this and total row of sales figure is this. So apply accounting number format and apply comma style to the remaining sale figure. So remaining sale figure are these, so we apply comma style and format the total in row 7 with the total cell style. So select row 7 is this, so apply cell style is to total cell style. So our step number 7 is completed. So our step number 8 is insert a new row 6 with the row title East and the following sales figure for each quarter: 150 point something and 168 point something and 171 and 1. Copy the formula in cell F5 down to the cell F6 to sum the new record. So in this tab we insert a new row 6. So we go on our Excel worksheet and insert a new row 6. So here is the new row, insert new row 6 and row title is to East. So row title is here, so we put East and in the each quarter, so in the quarter 1 we put this value 1, quarter 1 is this, so we put this value, and quarter 2 is we put this value in quarter 2, and in quarter 3 we put this value for quarter 3, and for the quarter 4 we put this value. this value. So our it is, and copy the formula in cell F5 down to the F6 from the new row. So we copy it. So our step number 8 is completed. Basically I done 8 step of this assignment. If you want to do this complete course or complete course of this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and are also given in the description of video. Thanks for watching my channel.